Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on how to log in. In this video, I will show you how to get logged into your Cliniko account. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and there on the URL bar search for cliniko.com and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from here you have to tap on this login box at the top right of your screen. And if in case you're new to this Cliniko and want to register your account, then you have to tap on this get started button and then follow the on-screen prompts till the end to register your account. Now once your account gets registered, type in your email address that you have used to create your Cliniko account. And then tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, you will taken to the next page where you have to type in your account password. And once you type in your account password correctly, tap on sign in button and then you will get logged into your Cliniko account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Cliniko account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will be back with more videos like this.